Hi, today I'd like to wish Happy Independence Day to all of my US friends, and the project I'll be making is Stars and Stripes themed. This is going to be a cupcake holder box plus a trio of shaker cupcake toppers. So let's get started and see how it's done. To create shaker toppers, I'll be using a die set by Poppy Stamps called SCRIBBLE Trio. I'm going to die cut each shape 4 times out of white cardstock. Then I'm going to use some liquid glue, apply it at the wrong side of the die cut, and stick 1 die cut of each shape onto the navy blue cardstock. I will list all the supplies that I'm using on my blog as well as in the description. Once it's done, I'm going to take a piece of acetate and again I'm going to stick down 1 piece of each shape onto that acetate and let it dry. Then I'm going to cut out each shape with the scissors, just as you would normally do with stamped or drawn images. That might seem time-consuming, but it's not. Actually, each shape takes about 40 to 50 seconds to cut out in real time. Then I'm going to do the same with all the acetate shapes. I'm just cutting it out around the outline. So now I have 1 blue piece, 1 acetate piece, plus 2 open frame die cuts of each shape. And this is what I need to assemble the shaker piece. I'm taking a blue piece and applying the glue only onto the die cut, and then I'm sticking the 2 die cuts on top of it, and that's going to create enough dimension for a shaker element. To fill in the shaker, I'm going to use some Silver Star Sequins by Cat Scrappiness. Before I fill in the shaker, I would like to stick some sequins right onto the background so that some of them will always stay up even when the rest of them go down. Then I will let the glue dry completely for a minute or so. Next, I'm adding some sequins inside. They are the flat ones, so you can add quite a bunch. When they are added, I'm adding some glue only onto the white outline again, and then I'm placing the acetate piece on top of it. I have created the circle and the star in the same manner, and this is what the project looks like at the moment. The next step will be attaching the twine and the sticks. I'm going to use some red and white twine, but some thin red and white ribbons will do just as fine. I'm wrapping it like that, but before I attach it, I'm going to add some sticks. So I'm going to use the hot glue, and the sticks are actually the wooden stirring sticks. Of course, wooden skewers will do great too, just use anything that you have at hand. To attach the twine, I'm going to apply a generous amount of hot glue at the wrong side. Then I'm going to press the entire bundle of twine into that glue, and I can also add some more glue on top if necessary. I'm going to do this to all 3 toppers, and then I'm going to trim off the excess to create the fringe. Now I'm going to create a cupcake box really quickly. I have 3 cupcakes about 2.5 inches in diameter, and this is the size of the box that would be great for them. The cardstock should be 6.5 by 11 inches, and I'm scoring it at 1.5 inch mark on each side. I have all the measurements in the screen in case you would like to reproduce this project. To embellish the box, I'm gonna use the die that is called Best Wishes FOLKSY Script. I've die cut this sentiment 3 times out of white cardstock, and I have layered all the die cuts for more dimension. I have attached the sentiment to the side of the box with the liquid glue, and now I'm making 4 slits with the scissors. Then I'm applying some adhesive only at the square tabs at the corners of the box, and then I'm folding and assembling it. It's very simple and basic. As a finishing touch, I have decided to add some sequins around the sentiment as well. I'm using the same sequins that I used to fill in the shakers. All there is left to do is to place my cupcakes inside and insert the sticks with toppers, and my project is finished. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a very happy 4th of July.